Shifting gears in language. Understanding Upshift. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the interesting world of English phrases. Our focus will be on the term upshift. Often heard, but not always understood, this phrase has a dynamic range of uses and meanings. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, this video will help you grasp the essence of upshift. So, let's get started and shift our understanding to the next level. Upshift originates from the automotive world. In its most literal sense, it refers to changing to a higher gear in a vehicle. When a driver upshifts, they move from a lower to a higher gear, usually to increase speed or efficiency. This action is a critical part of driving a manual transmission vehicle. Understanding this literal meaning is key to appreciating its metaphorical uses. In everyday language, upshift is often used metaphorically. When someone says they need to upshift in life or work, they're talking about making a significant change, usually an improvement or advancement. For example, upshifting in your career could mean taking on more responsibilities or moving to a higher position. It implies a positive change, moving towards something better or more efficient. Upshift can also appear in various colloquial expressions. For instance, time to upshift, or upshifting my game, are common ways to use this phrase in casual conversation. These variations all revolve around the idea of improvement, advancement, or intensification of effort or quality. To truly understand upshift, let's see it in context. Imagine a student saying, "I need to upshift my study habits to ace my exams." Here, upshift signifies the student's intention to study harder or more effectively. Or, in a business meeting, someone might say, "We need to upshift our marketing strategy," indicating a need to improve or change the strategy to achieve better results. In summary, upshift is a versatile term that goes beyond its automotive roots to express improvement, advancement, and a positive change in various aspects of life. We hope this video has helped you understand and use upshift more confidently in your conversations. Keep learning and exploring, and don't forget to upshift your English skills with us. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.